Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Instagram Edits app. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use green screen to make your video using this app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Instagram Edits app on your device and you can continue working on any of your old projects or create a new one. Now, once you are inside your timeline menu, if you wish to use your video as a background and then appear yourself above, then tap on this video layer and then from the bottom menu, scroll towards the right and you will find the green screen option around the very end. Go ahead and tap on it, and now this video layer will be used as a background and you can appear in front of it and add your commentary by yourself. You can also add effects or reverse your camera and control the various levels of zoom as well. Just tap on the record button to start recording your commentary. Once you are done with your recording, it will be saved to your timeline and you can proceed with exporting by tapping on the next button. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to use the green screen feature on the Instagram Edits app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next one.